still out of the water. Straight ahead. Whoa! That's so cool. Whoa! Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, so we just got like so close to the humpback whales, so we decided to leave the boat that's over there sailing away. In with them. It was just a baby playing with the mum. The mum was just sitting there while the baby was rolling around.
Yeah, it was huge.
So cool! So we're getting close to the anchorage we're going tonight. I decided to look up on Navionics, and I just read the comments. If you want to read what it says.
I'm going to read it. Anchor berth, smudger information, Little Ramsey Bay, hell on earth, the holiest anchorage in absolutely grassy out weather. I think we're too close glassed out weather. I think we're too close to shore, had the flopper stopper out, which didn't seem to help much. Apart from that, it was delightful, nice freshwater creek with swimming holes 300 meters up. The creek campsite with drop toilets, wouldn't over recommend for an overnight anchorage if you enjoy sleep.
Sounds like just what we're after.
Yeah, we came over here to get away from the rollers.
But I think if we duck in there, it looks lovely and flat. Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board and come sail away with Skateaway.
This side of Hinchinbrook Island was a rolly anchorage as we read, but worth it for the stunning freshwater swimming holes hidden in the rainforest.
Right now.
Well, it's like every day we sail these days, we see whales. But they're so hard to capture. There's some way they're going now, but not that you would be able to see.
Another occasion where we had to pull in the sail just in time as the whales just before the boat.
They were right next to the boat. Like within a second, they're just right next to you. But yeah, they're cool. They're just swimming along, playing. The other day we saw like 14 of them or something. Like they travel in packs.
So where are they now?
They're towards the islands we're headed to.
How does it make you feel seeing the whales?
I've never seen whales before, and now we've been seeing them like every day. We try to jump in the water and swim with them. That was a bit ambitious.
No, not at all.
Well, I know, but they just swam off instantly.
I know, but we're gonna do it.
Yeah. No, it's super cool. They're huge. Huge. They're really hard to capture. We actually, the other day when Ryan's family was here, we like had another small boat with us, so we like ended up leaving this boat floating in the ocean, not anchored, nothing, jumped on the small boat and went to try to catch the whales, but then that boat broke down and then we were stuck in the middle of the ocean watching our boat float near like the island, so not anchored, not attached to anything, nobody on it. Thank God the sail wasn't on. And then we're like trying to fix the motor on this other boat. Eventually couldn't get it, so we start rowing, trying to get back to our boat. At one point we did end up fixing it, but yeah, all because of the whales, like just trying to chase whales. Could have ended pretty badly. Like who just leaves a boat in the middle of the ocean? Nobody on it. We've done that twice in 2 days because of whales. The other day we did it when we were sailing, the boat was sailing. We're watching it sail away and we're chasing, trying to get in the water with whales.
We don't have the tender anymore, so we might have to run a long rope off the back and we'll hang off it while we sail past the whales with our goggles on. Imagine that.
Oh, there's more. Usually when you see a whale, you see a big thing of water shoot up in there and then you see them jump right after.
How does the water go?
Like that.
Roo-doo-roo. So we're going up Hull River. We made it past the hardest part at the start. Nearly got beached a couple of times trying to get through the sandbars. It's always hard, like early morning when you can't see and you've never been up the river. But we made it and we're making our way up to Camu. So right up this big system. Looking out for crocs on the way. But we're gonna go surprise my nephew for his birthday. So we've found a spot on Google Earth where we can closest get to their place because they live quite remote in Mission. We'll go surprise him.